Woo! Listen to that thing purr. What is up, guys? We're back with another video once again on the 500 here. As you can hear with your ears, we finally got a exhaust, a slip-on, as you saw probably in the last video. Wasn't that good of quality for some reason. The audio cut out, I have no clue why, but we happen to have the new exhaust, the Amazon slip-on exhaust, installed on the bike. Gonna be doing our first test drive here. See what it sounds like. First experiences, man. I'll tell you. Sounds pretty good. But yeah, so this was a $60 slip-on. Little tip for you guys, new owners of the 500. Most of the 400 items fit on the 500. They pretty much did a copy and paste with the 400 to the 500, changed a few things up, made a little bit bigger motor, and that's pretty much it. So most of the 400 stuff will fit on the 500, which is nice. And I obviously eventually am gonna get a full system exhaust for this, but obviously I can't stand the friggin' vacuum cleaner. I can't stand the way it sounds stock, so I just said screw it, and we got a little cheapo $60 slip-on exhaust. You can't beat it for the price, in all honesty, a $60 exhaust. It does come with a baffle. Speaking of that, I will plug a link up here to Two Wheel Dyno Works. He has a great video describing this 500, putting a bunch of different modifications on it with just doing slip-ons. Unfortunately, with this bike, if you do happen to do a slip-on, you are going to have to get it tuned regardless, because he gives a good graph of the bike actually leans out because they are very tuned for the stock exhaust because of back pressure and everything like that, so it does lean out. Luckily, this exhaust does come with a baffle, so you will be okay if you leave the baffle in on the exhaust. You'll be good for it not to lean out or anything, or throw a check engine light or anything like that. So yeah, I will make sure to plug that. That is also who we are going to be going through once we finally tune this thing and get an exhaust for it, and get we are gonna get a, what else are we gonna get? The quick shifter. We're gonna go through Two Wheel Dyno Works. So yeah, if you guys are watching the video, give me a little discount or something, or do a sponsorship. Be much appreciated. Just want to give a big shout out to you guys. We have been going crazy on YouTube the last month or so, even just in general. I just want to give a big shout out to you guys. You guys are a big help, boosting my motivation to put out videos. Our last video on this got about 3,000 views and 100 likes. I'd like to shoot for at least 50 likes this video. So if you are new and aren't subscribed and would like to continue watching the content, make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss out when we upload. Drop a like and drop a comment if you are new. I love interacting with you guys in the comments. I have notifications turned on myself for that, so be sure to drop a comment if you are new, and any questions you have. I definitely am going to be making a Q&A video on all the videos that I've made, questions you guys may have had, answering questions, because there's a lot of great just comments on the last video, especially too of people agreeing with me on the whole engine cc size and not enjoyment over speed and everything like that. And I'm just so great to have a community like you guys that understand the things that I'm going through. I don't know why I just turned in here. It's a dead end, god dang it. But like I was saying, enjoy and understand exactly what I'm getting at when I say the things that I say. But yeah, I will catch up with you guys here shortly. We are actually going over to my buddy's house. The guy that we were on, Nate's, the guy that we were on the Ninja, the H2SX, SE, whatever, plus thingy. Unfortunately, guys, his bike did blow up. We don't know the details on it yet, on as to why, but I'm going over to check it out, and he's got an extended warranty, so luckily they will cover it. So yeah, we'll be able to tell you guys more about it then once I catch up with you guys. So stay tuned. I'll catch up with you guys. Should be paired, bruh? Yeah, there it is.
Just to let everybody know who's watching the channel, Patrick makes it a ritual every time he rides. He has to kiss his front handlebars like he just did. What you're doing anyway?
I was checking to see, make sure my,
I know what you're doing.
Shut up! Yeah, so, update from the last thing we said about how we were going over to work on his piece of crap bike. Obviously, he's on something a little bit different. He's on a Concourse 1400. Big old turd.
Way faster than that.
Yeah. Dude, I got a full tank off that.
What?
It was $8. I got a full tank. Look at that right there, guys. 2 gallon, $8.
87 in it. 89.
Yeah, it says do not enter over there, buddy.
Are you sure?
I can read, bruh.
You put 4 riders on this thing.
Yeah, I know that. This looks so fucking stupid.
Well, he is 5'7". Yeah. I bet he struggles flat-footed because I can't.
Yeah. For you guys watching, we got Nate here. Hopefully the microphone you guys are going to be able to pick up and hear him. I moved my speaker in my helmet for where we communicate with. It's down to my speaker for where you guys hear me. So we'll see if it even works. I don't know if it will. Oh man. Dude, that thing sounded like a Honda Civic when it went by. Dude, it went ew. Oh fuck. That's funny as shit. Yeah, so basically, guys, we put the exhaust on a few bits ago. I can't even remember where I filmed because this is another day. This is the next day because it decided it wanted to piss rain all over the place and I didn't get to finish making my video. But yeah, we're just out on a little cruise right now. And what do you think of the exhaust? What do you got to say about the $60 Amazon slip-on? Yeah, that's how I feel. The only downside that I have about it is that the tip is already changing colors because it's not real carbon fiber. Yeah. Alrighty guys, that is gonna do it for the video for today. Hopefully you did enjoy. No, we didn't talk much, but we are gonna get another clip here. This is gonna be a part 1 to a part 2 series with me and Nate on the bikes. So hopefully it comes out good. If you guys do enjoy, once again, as always, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on another episode. And if you got any questions, make sure to drop a comment. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Love y'all.